Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix verification code not received. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to fix the fact the verification code from any application does not come to your phone, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all we need to check the settings in the phone, go to settings and scroll down. Find the messages, here we need to turn on iMessage. If you already have it turned on, first turn it off and turn it on again, so the system can be updated. Great, scroll down below and if you have the send as SMS function, then do the same with it. Turn it off first, then turn it on. So we scroll down and check the filtering of unknown senders. This function should be turned off. Check it out because your phone may think that this is an unknown service and will not send you a confirmation code because of this feature. Next we go to the blocked contacts and check that there are no suspicious numbers here. Usually all services such as Instagram, Google, TikTok and others send messages from short phone numbers. If there are blocked short numbers, then unlock them. Also, you can enter this in the browser to find out which phone the messages are sent from. For example, which phone number sends the verification code to Instagram, and you will find it. You can even add it to contacts and understand that the code came from Instagram. Well, the most recent way is to restart your phone to update the telephone connection, thanks to which text messages come. It is also possible that you just need to wait a couple of minutes. Sometimes there are internal failures in applications and messages are not sent. Here are some easy ways that I hope will help you. And I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.